Good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to do a TRIAS update really quick, so hang in there and pay close attention because I think we're getting close to a bottom. Guys, first of all, I have launched a private Discord channel about 5 or 6 days ago. If you guys have interest in that, I will post a link down below. It is a paid service. I offer basically all my trade setups in there that I'm looking at. I show all my active trades. It's an educational platform as well that basically gets into details on how I analyze price action, Elliott wave, and just individual crypto markets and assets as a whole. So if you guys want to check that out, I've got a 2-week free trial available. So go ahead and check that out. Let's hop into the chart for TRIAS. All right, so TRIAS, if you guys have been paying attention and watching my updates, this was a bias that I had flipped, a month or so ago into believing that we were basically on a macro ABC, which is the red A, B, C structure, and that this current count is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure down to create the C, meaning we still have more downside to come. I believe we have one more wave down, which should finalize the 5th wave and should put in our C around $5 and $5.50 to $5.60. So let's hop into the detail on how I see that, and then I will hop back out and look at the macro again, just to give an idea of where I see this thing going from a macro standpoint. So basically what I'm seeing here is that we are on a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have one more final 5th wave down to finish our final 5th wave to finish our C. So basically I believe we're in a micro 5 of the larger 5 wave structure. This will be, in my opinion, our last wave down for now, at least. Whether this turns into a regular flat or an expanded flat is undetermined at this point, but to me this is the most this is your highest risk reward entry over the next month or so. Is around 560. My buy zone originally was between 550 to 650. We wicked down and got to 645 here on this what I see as the 3rd wave. I believe we're in an ABC up right now to finish our 4th wave, and then we will have a 5 wave structure down to complete our C wave. So if this is the bottom, guys, and I say if because like I just said, this still could turn into a different corrective structure. This could turn into a regular flat, meaning we still have more downside if this local bottom or this future bottom does not end up holding. But ultimately, regardless of any of that, the macro view, I see us hitting at minimum for a macro 3, $250, and our macro 5 around $480. I think that macro 3 is probably a little low from a target standpoint, but that's okay. I'll take 250 as a low target for TRIAS at this point. So that's my opinion. That's my bias on TRIAS. See you guys all later.